My name is President Fletcher. I'm a member in UCKG Park Station. Before receiving the Holy Spirit, my life was shattered. My heart was torn apart because of the problems that I was having in my family, my love life and business as well. As in my love life, my husband had performed a ritual to an extent that my feelings were there that I could not feel for any man after he has deserted me. So my life was very tough for me, and my heart was so heavy. And then when this 21 fasting time was introduced, I had to say, oh God, I want to throw myself on the altar, my relief self, and surrender everything so that I can seek the Holy Spirit to help me. So I used to manifest so much in the church, that spirit, that demonic spirit saying it was the money that my mother was owing. My heart was torn apart because of the problems that I was facing. After receiving the Holy Spirit, God has taken the yoke that has been over my shoulders, and I feel good, I feel blessed. I'm having strength now to stand against any challenges that come forth before me. He has healed the scars that were in my heart, and I feel blessed and I feel comforted. I feel that yoke has been taken away. I'm having strength in other things. Even if I face challenges now, I can say, oh God, I have somewhere to lean on, I have somewhere to believe. So I thank God for that. I feel good and I feel comforted. The scars that have been in my heart, they are now healed.